Now, for your practice today, we are going to do page 286, and it's another expository text that we have to read and then answer the questions later on. What good are mosquitoes? Now, we all know what mosquitoes are, right? These are mosquitoes. They are very small insects that sting. Some people think mosquitoes are not very helpful animals. After all, most of us know mosquitoes because of their itching bite. So they bite us and it really itches, it hurts. So some people might think these mosquitoes, they're not important. But mosquitoes are an important part of the food chain. Remember what the food chain is? Now I have a diagram here that shows me a food chain. It shows me how energy goes from animal to animal. For example, dragonflies rely on mosquitoes to eat. So rely means they depend on mosquitoes. The dragonflies eat the mosquitoes. Without a large mosquito population, dragonflies could not survive. If there are not a lot of mosquitoes, the dragonflies will not survive. If the number of dragonflies drops enough, animals that depend on dragonflies might not survive. So look at this food chain. I have a large bird. Large birds eat frogs. Frogs eat dragonflies, and dragonflies eat mosquitoes. Now imagine if the mosquito population or the mosquitoes in the world become less. The dragonflies will not find food. Therefore, the frogs will not find food because they also depend on the dragonflies. Therefore, large birds will also be affected. That's why mosquitoes are actually important. Dragonflies need mosquitoes, frogs need dragonflies, and birds need frogs. Okay, so next time you think that mosquitoes or any other little insects are not important, remember that all the insects and all the animals in the ecosystem, they work together or they depend on each other to survive. Now let's see the questions. Number 1, how do you know this text is expository text? Remember the features of an expository text? Give it a moment to think and you may even pause the video. Very good. It gives information about a science topic, and that science topic is why mosquitoes are important or the food chain of mosquitoes. Number 2, what text feature is included in the text? I just showed you when we were discussing it. Give it a moment to think. Very good. It's a diagram. Excellent. Now, how does the diagram help you understand the topic? Give it a moment to think. How did this diagram of the food chain, look at it, it's on top of your page. How did it help you understand the topic? It shows how the food chain connects the animals. And number 4, why are mosquitoes important again? They provide food for other animals. Take a moment to write your answers down.